Check out this summer fruit cocktail. Fresh and fruity. For this recipe I used a liqueur called Pikeurtje. It's 12%. It's a Dutch brand and I put it in a pan. I used some cut up pineapple. It's delicious. I also gonna use some fresh strawberries. I also used a can of fruits that comes with a syrup, and that gives it that really nice sweet flavor. Now give it a good mix and store it for at least 8 hours in the fridge. Now let's make this cocktail. And that's it. Cheers! I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, see you next time.